can you add three-digit numbers with place value blocks? Think about this question during the lesson. You can add whole numbers by using place value to break them apart. Find 143 plus 285. Show both numbers with place value blocks. How can you use place value blocks to represent 143? 143 equals 100, 4 tens, and 3 ones. How can you use place value blocks to represent 285? 285 equals 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 5 ones. Now add the ones. 8 ones. Why don't you need to regroup the ones? There are fewer than 10 ones, so you don't need to regroup. Now add the tens. Why are 10 tens circled?
Regroup.
Circling the 10 tens shows that they have been regrouped into 100. Add the hundreds. 4 hundreds. Now look at the place value blocks to show this sum. The sum is 428. In the activity that follows, how does breaking apart numbers by their place value help you to add them?
Drag each place value block onto the appropriate mat to find the sum.
Okay, so we're going to drag the blocks to the correct place value chart. And then we need to see if we can add them like that or if we need to regroup. Now remember, when we are regrouping, when we're adding numbers and you need to regroup, our magic number is 10. So once we hit 10, then we can trade them out. I'm just going to put them all here and then we'll count. And when we're adding numbers, we always start adding from our ones place value. Okay, so now, alright guys, now we need to count our ones. Well, I counted it for us. It says that we have 8 ones right here. So do we have enough here to switch them out for a 10? No, we don't, because it's less than 10. If it were 10 or more, then we can trade it out for a 10. Now let's look at our place values in our tens. Okay, tens, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 tens right here. And all of this equals 120. So what we can do is we can regroup. We can take 10 of these tens and put them together and switch them out and regroup them out to the hundreds place. Because 10 of these regroup and become 100. So we're just going to switch them out here. So this is what it would look like. I want you to see that 10 of these tens makes a 100. So every time that you hear 10 when you're counting, then you're going to need to regroup and take it to the next place value. Okay, so now here we have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. Okay, in that, when we add all this together, we're going to get 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 428. And that is what we did over here.